Can you do? Can I do it? Okay. Okay, Amal, mashallah, you
are
already.
understand.
Okay, let me try to change my wait. Wait, please. Okay. Now, is it good now? Okay. So, Amal, you already knew most of the thing. The first thing we are going to do is to revise the Qaida as fast as we can. And why we are doing that, doing this, just to identify some of your mistakes and to correct them. Okay, the first thing, that's why we are doing this. And the second thing, the problem I saw in when you read the Quran, you know how to read, but you couldn't identify the symbols upon the words. Okay, so in Qaida, we are gonna read and know and memorize the name of the symbols. Okay, so you will go faster than your sister and your mother, and you're gonna teach them too, inshallah ta'ala, when they need. Okay, that's how. So I'm going to start with you also from Qaida, but as you knew most of the things, so you can go faster. Okay, so tell me, did you also read from this Qaida too, or from any other Qaida? When,
Yeah, this Qaida.
from the same Qaida. So you had the same teacher or another teacher?
Same teacher.
Same teacher. Okay, so this is our lesson number 1. Okay, before we start, we should read some du'as. So you are going to read after me. Okay, say أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
ربي يسر
ربي
يسر.
Sorry, you're breaking up again.
Okay, Rabbi can you hear me? Rabbi yassir wala tu'assir وتمم بالخير وبك نستعين. ربي يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير وبك نستعين. ربي يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير وبك نستعين. يا فتاح يا رب
يا رب
Alameen.
Alameen.
Now, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Rabbish Rahli
Rabbish Rakhni
Sadri
Sadri.
Wayassirli
Could you repeat that, please?
Wayassir
Wayassir
li li
li
amri
amri.
wahlul
Wahnul
uqdatam
Ruqdatam
mil
Mil
lisani
Lisani
yafqahu
Yaqahu
qawli.
Qawli.
Rabbi
Rabbi
zidni
Zidni
ilma.
Alma.
Okay. Sadaqallahu al-Azim. Okay, from these du'as, we were asking from our God to make this Qaida and the Quran easier for us and help us to complete it as soon as possible and make the Quran and all the things beneficial for us. Okay, so in these du'as, we were asking from God these kind of du'as. Okay, let's start it. What is the name of the first lesson?
Makharij.
Makharij. Okay, Makharij mean. Do you know what is the meaning of Makharij? No. Okay, Makharij means the places of your mouth or your throat from where the letters are pronounced. Okay, there is always a specific place from where the letter is pronounced. Like when you say ba, okay, it is pronounced from the work of your lips. Okay, but when you say ha, it is not pronounced from the work of your lips. It is pronounced from the work of your throat. Okay, you say ha. Okay, so for every letter there is a specific place of mouth or throat from where the letter is pronounced. So makharij are the places. Okay, the places from where the letter is pronounced. Okay, will you remember this? Inshallah. Okay, how many Arabic letters are there?
28.
28. And there are 7 thick letters. Okay, 7 thick letters. Thick letters means these are pronounced from full mouth. When you pronounce it, your mouth is like, okay. Okay, now you're gonna read the letters. Okay, read this one.
Alif,
Then,
Ba,
then,
Sa,
okay.
Jim,
Wait. The thing with sa is that when we pronounce sa, we put the tip of our tongue under upper teeth like this. Sa.
Sa.
Yes. So this is actually a soft letter. A soft letter. Okay. So that's why we say sa. Can you do it? Yes. And sa has 3 sisters, 2 sisters, Ral and Law. These 3 letters are called soft letters. Okay, what are they called? Soft letters. Okay, then
Jim,
yeah,
A,
yes,
O,
yes,
Dal,
yes.
Sa,
Okay,
Ra.
wait. Don't say zal. Say Ral.
Dal.
No. Don't say dal. Say zal, but make it softer.
Dal.
How you make it
Dal.
softer? How you make the ral softer? You have to put tip of your tongue under the upper teeth, like ral.
Dal.
Yes, that's how you do it. Very good. Then
Ra.
yes,
Za.
then yes.
Mim.
When look, these 1, 2, 3, Saad, not Sheen. When you pronounce these 3 letters, you join your teeth. These are the teeth letters. Okay, you say, and that's why when you pronounce these letters, you can hear a sound of a whistle like that. Okay, you say za, sin, sod, and sheen is similar to sheen. Okay, so when you pronounce these letters, you have to join your teeth. Z. Okay, can you do it?
Za.
Yeah. Then
Min.
seen.
Sin.
Yes. Then
Shin.
sheen.
Sheen.
Yes. Then
Sword.
you start from the s, then you make it full mouth. Sod.
Sword.
Okay. Can you repeat it?
Sword.
No. Sod. Sod.
Sword.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Now this one.
Rod.
When you say dot, you put the side of your tongue at the side of your left teeth. Okay. You can see on the first page of your Qaida. I can show you, but I think it's not very. Look at the side of the tongue. Touches the upper side teeth here. Can you see it? So we say
Yes.
we say bod.
Dog.
Yes. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Then what is it?
Da.
Very good. Then
Va.
no. There are 2 qualities or 2 characteristics of this letter. What are these? This is soft. The second one, this is fat and soft. So we say va. Yeah.
Va.
Again.
Va.
Very good. Then
Ein.
yes. Then
Ra.
the
Rein.
wine is thick. Wine.
Rein.
Say it again.
Rein.
Very good. Then
Va.
cough is thicker. Cough.
Ra. Ra.
Yes. Then
Kaf.
yes. Then
Va.
yes. Then
Nun.
then
Wow.
then
Ha.
then
Hamza.
yes. Then
Ya.
yes. Then very good. MashaAllah. You knew already all the things. Now here, the second part of the lesson 1 is the letters in the group. Okay, you can see the breakup of the division of these letters. Okay, they put some letters in one group and some other in the second group. Okay, why did they do that? Because they want you to know the same makharij, the same places of the letters from where they are pronounced. In English, what is the name of makharaj in English? We say it articulation point. Articulation point. in every language, in every language you can find the lessons about the articulation points of the specific language. Like for English letters, there are articulation points. For Urdu letters, there are articulation points, and we are here to read the articulation points of the letters of Arabic. Okay, Arabic language. So the statement written here is the makharij, is the articulation point of these two letters. Okay, so it means both the letters are pronounced from the same place. Okay, so like hamza and ha, both are pronounced from the bottom of the throat close to the chest from here. Okay, say hamza. Say hamza.
Hamza,
Ha.
Hamza, ha.
Okay, can you feel it uh, coming out from here? Can you feel it? Say ha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ha.
Okay. Okay. Now you're gonna read this exercise, please. Yes. What is it?
Ein, ha.
Okay. From where they are pronounced?
Middle of the throat.
Okay. Middle of the throat is here. Middle. Okay. Then.
Rein,
Yeah.
rein,
Then.
and
Oh, from where they are pronounced?
top of throat.
Yeah. Top of throat is the here, near to the tongue. Huh? When the tongue ends, top of throat starts. Okay. Okay. So you are traveling from your bottom of throat to your mouth. It's like here. The first makharaj is here. The second is here. The third is here. The fourth one is really near of it. Look. Read. What is it?
Qaf,
Okay. Then.
F,
Okay. What is the makharaj?
back of the tongue.
Okay. Back of the tongue from after the ending of top of throat. Okay. So now what is it?
Jim, Sheen, yeah.
So what is the makharaj?
The middle of the tongue. Touches the roof of.
Okay, if you want to feel it, you can say aj.
Edge.
Ash.
Ash.
Ay.
Ein.
Yes. Can you feel it? How the middle of the tongue touches your upper roof? Okay. Now what is it?
Dog.
Yeah. As I told you.
The side of the tongue touches the upper side teeth.
Yes. Okay. Then read this one.
Lam. Noon. Ra.
Makharaj.
Tip of the tongue touches the roof of the mouth.
Okay. Say al.
Al.
An.
An.
Or.
All.
So in lam, noon, and ra, the tip of the tongue touches a further part near the mouth of your mouth, the further roof of your mouth, not the middle part. Okay, as you felt. Okay, next.
Da. Dal. Da.
So what is the makharaj?
Tip of the tongue touches the upper gums.
Okay, so gums are the right behind your upper teeth, the hard part of your mouth. Okay, this is, you want to feel it, say at. Say at.
I'm breaking up again. I don't know what you're saying.
Okay, say at.
At.
Ad.
Other.
Auto.
Otro.
Yes. Now, next, the soft letters.
Vo.
No, no. The first
Vol.
one is fa, not thick.
Va.
Hmm.
Val.
Hmm.
Fo.
No, not so. Va.
Ba.
Yes. So I wrote it myself because I think they didn't read it completed. Okay, what is it?
Tip of the tongue touches the upper teeth.
Okay, like this. You want to feel it? Say as.
Ath.
Ar.
Av.
Oh.
O.
Yes. Okay, now next. What is it?
Za. Za.
No, no, it is not thick.
Sin.
Okay, za is
So.
not, listen, za is not thick. You say za.
Za.
Then,
Sin.
then,
Sod.
yes. Okay, when you say zod, don't make your lips a circle. It is not allowed. You say sod.
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 Yes, that's how you are. Okay, joint teeth. So as we are pronouncing these letters from when we join our teeth. Okay. Okay. Next.
Ba.
Hmm.
Fa.
Hmm.
Mim.
Hmm.
Wow.
Okay, these are the lip letters. Okay, all four are pronounced from our lips, from the work of our lips. We say ab,
Ab.
af.
Us.
No, no, af, af.
You're breaking up again, sorry.
Okay, say af,
Af.
um, oh.
Ow.
Yes.
Session finish.
No, 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 no. Actually, today my home line is not working, so I'm using my mobile data. That's why it's breaking. It happens sometimes, but not most of the time. Sorry for inconvenience. Okay, so the last one is, what is it?
Aleph.
Alif. Okay, say ah. Okay.
Ah.
Okay, when you say ah, it pronounced from empty mouth. Empty mouth means the emptiness from of your mouth. There is not a specific place from where the ah sound is pronounced. Not alif sound, it's ah sound. Okay, so that's why they call empty mouth. Okay, so what you have to do is to memorize all these makharij. How and the I'm giving you a tip how to memorize it. You don't need to memorize like middle of the tongue. No, not like that. You have only when I ask you what is the makharaj of jim, you have to pronounce it. You can say aj. When you say aj, you can feel which part of your mouth touches which part of your mouth. So you can say easily middle of the tongue touches the roof of your mouth. Okay,
Okay.
so you don't need to memorize like top of throat and model of throat. No, you have to pronounce it. And you can say, when I say the makharaj of ta, you can say at. Huh? Add a alif before it. You say at. When you say at, so it means you can feel where which part of the letter of your mouth touches which part of your mouth? Take which other part? Okay. Now, mashallah, you are okay. Now, letters with similar sounds. Okay. So there is a little bit difference, but the other person who is listening to you, sometimes he can think that these are same thing, but actually these are not same, because the makharaj is different sometimes. Like means when you say hamza and ain, it seems like when you say a or a, someone can say these are the same thing, but you know and I know that these are not same. Okay. So we have to, why we are going to know that, because so you can know the difference, not you cannot, you have to know the difference between these similar sounds. Okay, like when you say hamza, you know you are saying it from the end of your throat, okay, from the bottom of your throat. But when you say ain, so you have to know you are saying it from the middle of your throat. Okay. Okay, then ha is middle of the throat, ha is the bottom of the throat, ha is the middle of the throat, and ho is the top of the throat. Ho is the top of the throat, and qaf is not top of the throat, it's actually end of your tongue, really close. And ral, tip of your tongue, that is upper teeth, but za is the joining teeth. Okay, va, tip of your tongue, that is your upper teeth, but bod, side of tongue, side of teeth. Okay, now tha, tip of tongue, but seen and sod, seen is joining teeth, sod is also joining teeth, but sod is thicker, sod. Okay, qaf or kaf are really close, both are from the end of tongue, but qaf is thicker and kaf is not. And dad, side of tongue, and dal is tip of tongue, touches the upper roof, but this is dal and this is dad. Okay, and then ral and la, both from the tip of the tongue, touches the upper teeth, but ral is soft and thin and la is fat. And ta and ta, the difference between ta and ta, that ta is thick and ta is not. Okay, so this was these 2 pages. This was our first lesson. So now what your task is to memorize all these makharij. In the next class I will ask you, okay, and I think we can set our target to finish this this qaida with you in 1 or 2 months. Okay, inshallah ta'ala, say inshallah.
Inshallah.
And in this qaida we gonna identify and memorize the name of symbols which you do not know. Okay, inshallah. Okay, so any question you want to ask?
Thank you.
Okay, you can go now. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
The father is here.
Oh yeah.
जी वाह भाई, थैंक यू। तो हमाद भाई, अब ये असल में ये जो आपका सब ये सब डाउन हो गया था कल, तो कहीं से भी वो व्हाट्सएप पर कुछ भी नहीं चल रहा था।
हाँ, कल तो ये हो गया था। जी जी। तो
वो भाई से मेरी बात नहीं हो सकी, तो वो मैं सोच रहा था कि उनको मैं कल सोच रहा हूँ कि कल अपना दिन में अगर जल्दी आ जाता हूँ तो मैं उनको फोन करूंगा ना।
ठीक है।
क्योंकि जी हाँ, तो 2 चीजें मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रहा था कि आप मुझे ये बताएं कि अगर भाई कहते हैं कि मैं, आप मुझे भेज दें और मैं उनको दे दिया करूंगा हर महीने, तो फिर वो कर लेंगे, ठीक है। वरना ये है कि अगर जैसे वो अगर कहते हैं कि नहीं, अगर आप वहीं से खुद कर लेते हैं, तो फिर मैं ये आपको सोच रहा था कि मैं आपको हर 3 महीने का एडवांस दे दिया करूंगा एक साथ।
चले, जैसे जैसे आपको सहूलत हो ना वो करें आप। मुझे दोनों,
हाँ सही है
मुझे
ना।
मेरे लिए दोनों बेहतर है।
हाँ
मुझे
उसमें
पता है वो
आप,
आपको, हाँ उसमें आपके लिए मसला ये होगा, अगर आप डायरेक्ट भेजेंगे तो आपको हमेशा नया चार्ज देना पड़ता है,
हाँ बिल्कुल
चार्जेस। हाँ तो ये सही, दोनों आप दोनों चीजें कर सकते हैं आप, मुझे दोनों
ठीक है
में
ना।
सहूलत है।
या तो मैं, या तो आपको हर 3 महीने का दे दिया करूंगा ताकि वो मैं एक ही चार्ज करूं, यानी साल में 4 करूं रादर देन के हर महीने करूं मैं चार्ज।
हाँ हाँ जाहिर बात है, बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है,
ठीक
ऐसा
है।
ही है।
और अगर भाई को दिया तो भाई, या तो आप भाई से भी आप वो कर लीजिएगा कि भाई आपको या तो वो 3 महीने के एक साथ दे दें, या भाई एक एक महीने के आपको दे दे, जो भी उनके लिए मुनासिब होगा और जो आपके लिए भी सेफ होगा, क्योंकि ज्यादा बड़ी रकम होगी तो उसको लेना लवाना वो भी करना एक कोई आसान काम नहीं है वहां कराची के अंदर, आपको तो
हाँ
पता है।
नहीं नहीं, आप अगर भाई से भी गए ना तो आपके भाई भी ट्रांसफर तो कर सकते हैं ना मुझे, मतलब वो
हाँ
अपने
मेरा
बैंक,
सब
हाँ
कहूंगा कि वो ट्रांसफर
हाँ
कर दें आपको।
हाँ, क्योंकि उनके असल में आपके लिए मेरे ख्याल में सहूलत मुझे नहीं मालूम कौन सी रहेगी, लेकिन ऐसे भी हो सकता है अगर आप भाई से कह दें और वो मुझे अपने पास से ट्रांसफर कर दें, फिर वो एक आप बाद में तो आप दोनों का तो चलता रहेगा रहता होगा, तो आप तो उनको एक साथ दे सकते हैं, जाहिर है।
बिल्कुल जी
तो
हाँ बिल्कुल।
हाँ तो
वो मैं
आप,
कल बात कर लेता हूँ, उनसे बात कर लेता हूँ, जो फिर जैसा भी मुनासिब होगा तो फिर उस लिहाज से मैं आपको बता दूंगा। अगर मुझे यहाँ से करना है तो फिर मुझे आपका वो अकाउंट वगैरह वो चाहिए होगा, अगर वो भाई आपको दे रहे हैं तो फिर वो अकाउंट तो चाहिए होगा, वो फिर मैं भाई को दे दूंगा, फिर वो या आप उनसे डायरेक्टली बात कर लीजिएगा, उनको खुद ही दे दीजिएगा, जैसा भी
नहीं
है
नहीं,
वो फिर
मैं
मैं
आपको
आपको
सेंड
कर दूंगा।
मैं आपको सेंड कर देता हूँ अकाउंट नंबर दोनों बैंकों के अपने, तो आप
ठीक है,
उनको फिर भेज दीजिए। ठीक है,
चलें ठीक है, सही। ठीक
चलो
है ना,
ठीक,
तो ये सही है, ये ठीक है, मुनासिब है।
जी जी मुनासिब है, ठीक है।
बिल्कुल
ठीक,
आप मुतमईन है, देखिए मैं
नहीं
चाहता हूं कि आप मुतमईन हो,
नहीं
क्योंकि
नहीं नहीं, मैं देखिए जो भी आपको मुनासिब लगे वो मैं मुतमईन हूँ।
नहीं नहीं, मैंने
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
आपको कहा ना, मैंने आपको
जी
कहा
जी
कि मुझे
जी
देखे नहीं पता, ये इतनी बड़ी
जी
जिम्मेदारी आप ले रहे हैं,
नहीं
आप माशाल्लाह जो है वो इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, देखें आपको भी जवाब देना है, मुझे भी जवाब देना है, तो
जी
मैंने
जी
जो
बिल्कुल,
मैसेज छोड़ा था कि ये ना
जी
हो
जी,
कि वहां पे अल्लाह ताला मेरी ये पकड़
नहीं नहीं
कर ले कि तुमने ये मुनासिब कैसे समझा, ये
नहीं
तो
नहीं
मुनासिब नहीं था।
नहीं 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 नहीं, देखिए असल मुनासिब तो वही होता है जो हम आपस में तय कर लें,
जी,
इंशाल्लाह। बाकी मैं इसलिए
इसलिए मैं
कहता हूँ
पूछ
कि
रहा हूँ, मुझे अभी भी बता दें अगर आप
नहीं नहीं
समझते हैं कि इसमें और थोड़ी गुंजाइश है, तो मुझे
नहीं नहीं
कोई
नहीं
हर्ज नहीं है, मैं
नहीं नहीं
गुंजाइश क्रिएट कर दूंगा।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, बिल्कुल सही है, बिल्कुल सही है, मुनासिब, बिल्कुल मुनासिब है। इंशाल्लाह अल्लाह ताला इसी में बरकत देंगे इंशाल्लाह ताला, बिल्कुल मुनासिब
चलें ठीक है,
है।
इंशाल्लाह ताला।
बहुत
थैंक यू भाई,
ठीक
जज़ाकल्लाह
है
खैर,
जनाब,
थैंक
ठीक
यू।
है, अस्सलाम
अल्लाह
वालेकुम,
हाफ़िज़।
अस्सलाम
वालेकुम।
वालेकुम।